friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. This one's going to be turned into a Tasty Wednesday video because Tuesday was a little too busy for me. But in this collaboration, Rachel and I are going to be making some leftover meals or leftover meal ideas for Thanksgiving food. So I'm really excited to try this out because this is an idea I was thinking of. I'm like, this might actually turn out really good. So I'm going to give it a try. Hopefully it's good. And yeah, if you guys want to try this out, please do, and let me know in the comment section if you tried it and what you guys thought. Alright, if you're new to me, my name is Siobhan. I am the lazy housewife. My friend Rachel, she is from LiveLaughLoveMommy's channel, well, that's her channel, and we do Tasty Tuesday videos almost every week. Sometimes turns into a Tasty Wednesday like it did today. And we do some just recipe videos and some fun ideas for you guys just to make our creativity come on out a little bit more, and you guys can give them a try and maybe give you guys some ideas too. Are you guys? Well, if you have not yet subscribed to Rachel's channel, definitely head over there after this video and subscribe to her. I'll put her information in the comment or in the description box below. And yeah, what are we waiting for? Let's get to cooking. Alright, so for this fun Thanksgiving leftover recipe, you will need either leftover ham or turkey. I'm using ham because we didn't have turkey at my Thanksgiving because they were out of unfrozen turkey. Long story. And then you'll need some Pillsbury croissants, uncooked, because you will cook them in this recipe. And then you'll need some gravy. If you have some leftover gravy, perfect. If not, get some gravy at the store. And then you'll also need some leftover stovetop dressing. So, all right, let's get to cooking. So first things first, you're going to want to set the temperature to whatever fits your Pillsbury croissants or whatever croissants you're going to be using. Mine says 375, so I put it for 375. And now I'm just going to take them apart and kind of lay them out flat like this, kind of like little pizza slices. And now we're going to top it off. All right, so what I did is I sprinkled some stovetop dressing on each layer first, and then now we're going to add either turkey or ham, and again I'm using ham in this recipe. So I'm going to shred up some little pieces and sprinkle on top of this. Right, so now I just sprinkled some shredded ham on top of it, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to layer on top of this another flattened croissant slice. I guess that's how I think that's how you would say it. Alright, so as you can see here, I am going to put them on top of here and kind of stretch it out a little bit, kind of like a calzone, you know, or like a little miniature pie, single pie, but kind of pinch it around the edges as good as you can. This one is not as big as the lower piece, so this one's going to probably have some things poking out of it, which is okay, totally fine, but this is going to turn out pretty delicious. Won't be perfect, but hey, it's gonna be really yummy. All right, and then whenever the oven is ready, so at 375, which is now, we're gonna put it in the oven. So for about after 13 or 14 minutes, depending on your oven, this is how it should look. You want to make sure that it's, you know, cooked enough on the inside as well. So if you feel like it's a little bit softer on the inside, I would bring down the temperature of the oven just a little bit and then put it back in the oven for a few minutes more. So you don't want it to be overcooked, but then you don't want it to be undercooked as well. Alright, so what I also did was I heated up some of the gravy. So if you have leftover gravy, that's fantastic. If you don't, that's okay too. I like to use that jar of gravy. That's just because I didn't end up using it at my Thanksgiving, so technically it's leftovers, but I didn't cook it yet. So I used it in the oven, and what we're going to do is we're going to dip this into that, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. Just like this. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So that's what it should look like on the inside with the stovetop stuffing and some ham or turkey, whatever you'd like, and then you just dip it in the gravy, and then you eat it like this. Just so delicious, you guys. I love doing this because it's super simple, and it makes yummy yummy meals. Actually, it's really delicious. So if you guys want to try this out, if you guys have these leftovers too, definitely try this out and see what you like, see how you like it, and let me know down in the comment section below what you guys thought. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come, and we will see you guys again in our next Tasty Tuesday video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye now.